What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are upgrading our 2020 Jeep Wrangler rear differential with this Metalcloak rear differential skid plate. Now, if you're doing any type of off-roading, rock crawling, light off-roading, this is a must. This will give you extra confidence on the trail, and it will definitely protect your vulnerable differential from rocks or any type of trail hazards. So let's get this thing installed on a Jeep. Let's hit the trails. Oh. It's gonna go on like this. Right here is gonna hook with those two hooks, and then back there. U-boat. Just gonna hand tighten this a little bit. That's the other one. Now we're just gonna hand tighten this for now. Just like that. And now we'll move on to the back. More. Right, now let's get a torque wrench and torque it to 50 foot-pounds. There we go. You heard that click? There we go. There we go. There you have it. Simple and easy installation. 6 bolts, a couple U-bolts, and now you have a little peace of mind when you go off-roading. Yeah, this is solid. And another thing you don't really lose a lot of clearance. Maybe 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 inch. So it doesn't really make a huge difference out there. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the trails.